Hey there folks, let's create a New York OCM manifest automatically in Distru. First, click the Sales and Fulfillment tab in Distru and start a new sales order. Then, enter in all the details of your sale, including customer, delivery date, order line items, batches of the specific order line items you're putting in, and any discounts that may be applicable. Then save the order and create an invoice for it. You can decide whether you want an email copy sent to you or not. Then go into the Shipment tab for your newly created order and click the Edit button under Shipment. This opens fields for you to enter details that will appear on the manifest, such as departure time and estimated arrival, and fill in information regarding the shipper, receiver, and distributor for your sales order. Distru will give you quick fill-in fields that will automatically populate the actual OCM manifest while also previewing the final result for you. Submit the order shipment details, and you'll have an OCM manifest document ready for your sales order. You can preview the OCM manifest under the Shipment tab and have it ready for your order. Visit us at distru.com and chat with us about our OCM manifest creator.